Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP in Windows 10. First you need to download XAMPP software. Let's see how to download. Search in the Google, then go to the page and select your OS version, then download it. After downloading, now I am going to install the software. Install the software with default settings like I do. Install is done. This is the XAMPP control panel. Let's see how to work with XAMPP. Start Apache service. Then go to the browser and type localhost/dashboard. This is XAMPP homepage. XAMPP working as a hosting service. I created a sample website. Now I am going to open that website through the XAMPP. Let's see how to do it. Go to XAMPP folder and open htdocs folder. These are the XAMPP dashboard website folder. Now copy your website folder to htdocs folder. Go to web browser and type in the address bar localhost/your folder name like I do. So guys, I hope you will get some knowledge from this video. Don't forget to subscribe me.